Yo, back with another video. I know it's been a while. Gonna be a quick one today. Literally just installing the Aeroflow Dynamics front lip. I'm just gonna be removing my eBay special lip and swapping these two out. So nothing wrong with this one. The only reason I'm really installing this one now is because this is gloss black. Obviously this is a flat black, and I did purchase Aeroflow Dynamics side skirts, which I'm still waiting to come in, but I know that one comes only in a gloss black option, so I wanted to make sure my front lip and those side skirts match when they make it in. So we're gonna get this one removed really quick. I'm just gonna unbolt it. I did have some double stick tape on it, but we're gonna get that removed and then we'll install this. Let's go. First, we're gonna have to assemble the lip together off of the vehicle. Very simple. I actually left this side like disconnected so I could explain. So all you're doing is the middle lip is literally just gonna sit into the side part and it'll sit flush, as you can see. So that's gonna be the first piece, and then second part of this is just gonna be using the supplied self-tapping screws right here and then right here. So it's gonna be 4 of those total. You're gonna use the self-tapping screws that look like they have almost washers built in. That'll connect the joints together. So 4 of those, it looks like they gave you 2 extra ones, and then the rest of these will be for actually attaching the lip to the bumper. The 2 joints are now tightened down, so now we are going to use the other supplied self-tapping screws and get this thing attached to the front bumper. So there is, like I said, 28 of these holes going around, all right? And then it kind of zigzags, as you can see, and then it just continues around. So I don't have 2 sets of hands, I just have my own. So what I kind of just did was used a jack to kind of just center it, and then I made sure each side was exactly where it should be. I'm gonna start with getting both sides bolted down first, and then I'll work my way to the inside. Let's get it. All right, Aeroflow Dynamics lip is installed. I'm really happy with how it fits. I mean, it contours well with the actual bumper. It feels really snug. Like, I mean, to me, this is as snug as it'll get. Obviously, if I smash something on the interstate or highway, it's out of my control. Like I said, I am lowered, so, you know, it comes with that. So, but I mean, this one, I want to say, has probably like twice the number of self-tapping screws holding this one in compared to that eBay one. This one to me is probably a little bit more minimalistic. I think the other one does have a little bit more of an aggressive look, but I think this will flow well when I get their side skirts. I'm happy with it. The gloss finish is really nice. I will ceramic coat it once Louisiana weather decides to act right, but gonna kind of do more of a step back video so you all can see how it looks, and hope you all enjoyed it. Until next time, thank you.